Expectation versus reality. Mauna tong content karon guys. Anian na pod si Abigail ang Kabisaya Talks ninyong karong adlaw. So guys, dili lang ako ang muhatag og stories about expectation versus reality. Kay nag-ask ko og mga friends kung pwede sila makahatag og video about this topic guys. And I really appreciate them na ning effort na ni contribute ni hatag din sila video sa kuha na para madungag sa tuang video karon. So let's start watch them before I can give you my own story. So let's go.
Good morning from America. This is Gina, my wife. My name is Wesley. Of course, we live in America. We're making a quick video on how nice it is and wonderful and how lazy we are.
Because it's Sunday.
Because it's Sunday. So on Sunday, we normally get out, watch a little TV, drink my coffee with my creamer and my sugar, and try to get a hold of the boy and the daughter in the Philippines, and talk to them, and then watch a little bit of TV, and I don't know what else.
Well, I just want to explain briefly about the life here in America versus the life in Philippines. Because in Philippines, we just usually in the morning we just go out from the house and have coffee and have chit chat with the neighborhood, but not here in America. We're just usually just me and my husband. That's it, and then everything's are far different from Philippines, because here in Philippines, I mean here in America, all you have to do is just work Monday through Saturday, and we only have one day off. So it seems like hard, but you can stop working or else you'll be in trouble by paying your bills. So it seems like there's no freedom at all. But the life about the food, the cost, the compensation is way different, because here in America you can earn the equivalent of 1 month, just only you can get here only for a day. Like, is that realistic, love?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. You get a vacation here in America, where in the Philippines you just work. You work at the mall, you work here, you make $6 a day
For 8 hours.
for 8 hours. Here in America, you make a lot more. Things are a lot more, but you know, we can save if we, as Americans, if we really try, we can save. If not, then I guess we're living out of our budget, is what they say. So, you know, sometimes it's hard to live within your budget, but it's wonderful when you live in your budget, you know, and you have a little extra money saved, so you can do something or go somewhere on your vacation and not have to use your credit cards and so on and so forth and come back poor.
Yeah, true.
But I'm excited to go back to the Philippines. We will be leaving, you know, here in a couple weeks, and I'm excited to go back, and it's beautiful there, you know, and the family life is like it used to be in America, where, you know, everybody got together at night and talked about, you know,
But
their
not
day.
anymore.
Their day and how everything's going in their lives, and if they need help with anything, you know, that's the way it used to be in America. But not anymore, you know. And if you want to ask your wife across from the supper table, you know, how her day was, people just text them, you know, instead of the conversation of actually talking to people and having that you know, where you can actually talk to someone.
Right,
Face,
bonding.
yeah, face to face, you know. And the world has changed a lot. That's for sure. But we can change for the better. You know, it doesn't always have to be, you know, change for the worse. So you gotta keep up your, you know, your confidence and
Don't be lazy.
yeah, and don't be lazy
You
and
can have a double job here if you want. You can save a lot of money if you want.
hmm
You know, there's a lot of opportunity here compared to Philippines.
oh yes,
Yeah.
a lot of opportunity. You know, over there, the if anything, the you know, you'll get you'll work, and what were you telling me that they had? You work for a day and you can't even buy your meat for the day.
Yeah, because your 8 hours wage was only equivalent of 1 kilogram of beef. Yeah, like it's like 560 or 550, and the price of the meat is so ridiculous. So I don't think how people could live that way, you know.
And gas and
Yeah. It seems like people in Philippines work just to survive.
hmm
Yeah. So maybe that would be the difference between living here in America versus living in the Philippines.
yeah, you can do more than just survive.
Yeah.
You know, you can have a life, but you know, a lot of the American people think how bad they have it, and if they would go over to the impoverished countries and see how the children eat food that they throw out from restaurants, and
Yeah.
you know, they have a name for that. I'm not sure
Yeah,
what
we
it,
call that pagpag.
yeah, and you know, see the kids eating this, and American kids wouldn't even touch that. You know, they would be like, ah, yuck, yuck, you know, and but when you're on the point of starving to death, you don't worry if that piece of chicken was in somebody else's mouth.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, they boil it and you know, recook it and stuff, but still, I mean, I don't know how to explain it to, you know, some people. That we're very, very, very thankful. Very thankful.
Okay, so maybe that would be it for now. Thank you.
Bye.
Expectation versus reality sa pagpuyo dinhi sa US, daghan ang imo ang mga silingan diri dili pareha sa atoa nga imo arang pwede matagayan nimo magtagay mo diri man silingan wala timong tingog wala dili kay kakaila sa ilang mga ngalan, dili pug ka makig-eye to eye contact, depende siguro sa mga silingan diri unya. Kasagara sa to ang tan-aw pag naata sa US, ang tanaw sa imo daghan na ka nagkwarta dinhi sa US ug dili ka mo trabaho ma-homeless gyud ka. Pero ang nakalahian lang kay ang ilang mga homeless nga mga tao na sila mga gitawag nga soup kitchen para sa mga dili ka afford og pagkaon, naapod sila mga food banks, clothing banks unya kuan makita lang tsada ang tan-aw sa uban nga makita nimo nga sige travel mga tsada og gamit kay dinhi ma-afford nimo makapalit ka og gamit kung magkugi lang gyud kag trabaho.
Expectation versus reality sa pangabuhi diri sa America. First, abi na ko og kuan competitive manarbaho diri. Like kinahanglan nimo maging super talented or extra special para makakuha og job or ma-promote sa imong trabaho and all that. But the reality is, dili siya ingon ana. Ang murag minimum requirement diri para makakita ka og trabaho and para mo angat ka sa trabaho is just to show up. As in, mo tungha na jud ka and just do your job. You don't need to be extra. Nga, pwerte gud ka daghan nga effort ang imong ihatag sa trabaho kay dili sila diri ingon ana As in, I don't know sa uban nga lugar no or sa uban nga kumpanya pero mao lang ako makumpara. Ay ibutang na nato nga sa Pilipinas grabe ang ako ang paningkamot og ang pagbuhos sa mga singot sa work. Pero ang compensation is pretty jung layo Diri kay mutungha ra ka. And that's it.
So again, daghang salamat sa inyo nga share sa inyong stories about sa tuang topic for today na expectation versus reality. So ako na pong story ako ang i-share sa inyo guys. So magsugod ta sa year 2013. Wow. Bitaw guys na kanang sa pag-abot na ko diri kay expect na ko na kanang murbitog press pare sa mga dagkong cities na kanang Saba na kanang kuan. Wa na ko ma-expect guys na unsa pagka silent yung pati pagkamingawas in wala kang makita tao sa dalan kung nakay makita man lang kung na mag-walking mag-bicycle or kanang muaging sakyanan pero dili ngun Saba na pare sa Pinas guys na bumper to bumper imong madungog or kana mga sikat or kana mga motor, di ba, nakamadunggan dito pero dire dapit sa mua. Dili jud guys, perti ra jung mingawa. Maulagi kay ay mong makita dire mga tao kay kanang murag sakay ra dire jud sakyanan tapos ana ato dito sa mga groceries dito rin mo na makita mga tao guys pero kung ingon na makihalubilo na kanang basta na makipag chit chat tinuod jud na atong ingon ng mga naunang videos na mga Pinay gay na ning share na mula dili na mo makatabi unlike na imo na mo silang friends siguro pwede but most likely dili jud kakaila sa mga neighbors dere miski sila mga pangalan nara kay mailhan mga naong nila but dili na makuha nila mga pangalan guys no tinuod jud and then ang mga tao jud dere tagsa-tagsa kasakyanan kay maulagi walay commute bisag unsa ilang mga trabaho mga dishwasher or mga unsay tan-aw nimo sa Pinas na kanang mga low kayo tan-aw na mga trabaho pero dere guys tanan nay sakyanan kay tungod walay mga commute na may commute dere mag-Uber pero mahal kaayo pero talagsa ra jud kay ko kakita. And then, about sa medical, dere, mas nice jud kay ni siya na topic guys. Kay, ang medical sa Pilipinas, lisod kaayo. Lisod jud kay makasakit sa Pilipinas. Kay, dili ka muhatag og kanang sa registration, dili ka muhatag dito kwarta. Dili ka timanon dayon sa mga nurse or sa mga doktor. No, na unlike dire kung unsa jud ka rush imong kinahanglanon na medical needs niya dalong ka hospital buhion usa ka paninglon niya kung dili ka kabayad pwede ra nimo amat-amaton og bayad guys. So abot sa trabaho guys dinhi maayo kay mga apply dinhi dapita guys kay basig asa na ay hiring kung dili lang ka mga mamili og trabaho kung gusto lang jud ka kanang magka-salary lang para maka-save man or kuan. Dili jud kay ka makasulod diri kung willing lang jud ka mga-apply o labi na mas maayo jud na jud kay ka galing sakyanan kay lagi isod kay commute dinhi. Okay lang siguro kung nakay bana or kanang mga friends na pwede mo kuanin mo hatod sundo but mostly mas maayo jud na jud kay kagalingong sakyanan no din hindapita kay lagi dili ni siya parehag Pinas na makasakay ra kag taxi or jeepney no unlike sa Pinas kung manrabaho ka taas kay qualification na pangitaon dito tawo niya ang sweldo sus igo ra siguro pamalit nimo pagkaon usahay kulangan pa siguro na reality lang jud na sa Pilipinas. Daghang salamat sa pagpaminaw sa mga stories about expectation versus reality. So kung kamo guys na mo idagdag about ana, please feel free na mag-comment down below and i-share sa mua. And then pwede po mo comment kung unsa pod ang inyong gustong himo na tong video sa sunod. So, maura to, and mayong hapon, mayong buntag, mayong gabi, kung asa man mo karon, mga kabisaya. So, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share this video, guys. See you next video!